Nutrien's on a journey to feed the future through hundreds of thousands of growers that are our customers.
Nutrien operates a global network of production, distribution, and ag retail facilities. We are the world's largest potash producer with 5 underground mines and 1 solution mine. We also are the 3rd largest nitrogen producer and operate some high-capacity phosphate mines. And then, of course, we have 2,000 ag retail locations operating in 7 countries around the world. My name is Brock Richards. I'm a senior solution architect.
My name is Mark Murray, and I'm the Vice President of IT Infrastructure and Cybersecurity for Nutrien. One of the things we've been able to accomplish with the wireless technology has been to create a seamless experience across all of our locations. For the workers that are moving around, whether they're in a forklift or warehouse, they get the same experience when they're in an office or in an underground mine. I've had the experience of going down into our mines a few times, and the connectivity follows me. So my phone that was connected on the surface stays connected underground. It's seamless and consistent across all of Nutrien globally. And we've been able to do that with Cisco technology.
We leverage Cisco Spaces and Cisco Wireless to track assets and personnel in our mines today for worker safety and operational enhancement. We're excited to see what we can do with Wi-Fi 7 and the enhancements to the new access points with BLE and find time measurement to enhance the accuracy of that asset tracking and personnel tracking. We are currently using Cisco Wi-Fi 7 in our office here. We are seamlessly able to integrate Wi-Fi 7 into our existing implementation. Securing and protecting the connectivity that we provide is imperative. We're leveraging Cisco ICE in a single posture across our wired and wireless solutions.
At Nutrien, many of our workers move from site to site and location to location. Having it be simple for them, having it be consistent across all sites, all locations, and just work wherever they are is really important to the business of Nutrien. And that includes agronomists who are out in the field working with growers, our retail locations, our mines. Consistency is really important. The connectivity is what gets it to them.
Cisco has also enabled us to be more efficient, leveraging tools like Cisco AIRRM to ensure that we don't have to spend as much time tweaking our wireless environments. We're certainly interested in the future of Wi-Fi 7 technology with Cisco as it gets integrated to more products. Services like MLO could be a game changer for us to provide connectivity to our outbuildings and our retail branches, reduce the amount of equipment that we have to deploy, and be that next form of backhaul for our industrial operations. Cisco is one of those few partners that offers technologies and solutions that meet the vast needs of our different business units. Cisco is a foundational component of our global network, and Cisco is enabling us to feed the future.